Yes, good morning students. Today I will discuss the sample question paper 2021. I will discuss only section A. Section A has 16 objective type questions of 1 mark each. Section A. First one is, which of these statements about the princely state is incorrect? First one, some of the princely state clearly wanted to become part of the Indian Union. And second one is the Indian government was ready to give autonomy to some reason. And C is, first of all, the ruler of Junagadh announced that the state had decided on independence. And D, princely states covered 1/3 of land area of the British Indian Empire. And now the part C is incorrect. And next one is second objective type questions. Dash act as think tank of union government. First one is the Niti Aayog, A, B, Yojana Aayog, C, Election Commission of India, and D, Ministry of External Affairs. And Dash act as a think tank of the union government, Niti Aayog. And question number third is, which set of the countries belong to the NATO's grip? First one is the Poland, Britain and Romania, and B is the US, Republic and France, and C is the France, Britain, France, West Germany, and D is the Spain, France and East Germany. Yes, part C is the correct answers. And question number 4, globalizations lead to each culture belonging. Part A is the more different, part B more transparent, part C more distinctive, and D more different and distinctive. And question 4 and part D is correct. And next one is the question number 5th. Which factors contribute to Pakistan failures in building a stable democracy? कि पाकिस्तान में जो है एक स्टेबल किस लिए फेल्यूर हुआ, एक स्टेबल डेमोक्रेसी को स्टेब्लिश करने में कहाँ फेल हुआ? बिकॉज ऑफ द वन इज द डोमिनेंस ऑफ मिलिट्री, एंड सेकेंड बी इज द डोमिनेंस ऑफ क्लर्जीज, एंड सी इज द डोमिनेंस ऑफ द लैंड ओइंग एरिस्टोक्रेसी, एंड डी ऑल ऑफ द above. All of the above is the correct answers. And question number 6, Arab Spring began with Russian Revolution, A, B, Tunisian Revolution, C, Egyptian Revolution and D, Syrian Revolutions. आपको पहले मालूम है, यू नो ऑलरेडी, कि अरब स्प्रिंग कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ था? पार्ट बी, ट्यूनेशियन रेवोल्यूशन, कि ट्यूनेशिया से पहले जो तो ये स्टार्ट हुआ था. एंड 7 इज choose the wrong statement. 6-point proposal of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman for greater autonomy to eat Pakistan, and B is India and Pakistan conduct nuclear test in 1998, and C Safta signs at the 7th SAARC summit in Islamabad, and D is the India and Bangladesh signed the Fracas Treaty of sharing of Ganga waters in 1996. And C, part C is the is incorrect, wrong statement कि जो जो ये समिट जो था साइन हुआ था, सप्ताह साइन 12th जो था सार्क समिट था उसमें साइन हुआ था, और ये जो हुआ था इन द न्यू दिल्ली में. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, in the decade of the 1960, the Congress party under the leadership of Indira Gandhi was affected by. किसके लिए 1960 में जो कांग्रेस पार्टी थी इंदिरा गांधी के समय में किस वजह से इफेक्ट हुई थी? दैट इज नंबर 1 इज द वायलेंस, सेकेंड वन इज द डिफेक्शंस, थर्ड वन इज सी इज द इंटरनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स, एंड डी इज द सेंसरशिप. आपको पहले मालूम है कि ये किसके लिए होता था? इंटरनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स की. जो कांग्रेस पार्टी थी उसमें अंदरूनी आपसी में जो झगड़ा हो गया था, इंटरनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट की वजह से ये जो था कांग्रेस लीडरशिप ऑफ द कांग्रेस पार्टी में ये 1960 में इफेक्ट हुई थी. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज अ 9, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. डैश पॉलिसी हैज बीन अडॉप्टेड बाय नीति आयोग. A is make in India, B made in India, and C startup India, and D Ayushman Bharat. And part A is correct answers, that is the make in India. And first Gulf War was known as Operation Infinite Reach, B Operation Enduring Freedom, C Operation Desert Storms, and D Operation Iraq Freedoms. And C part is the correct answers. And question number 11. The high point of the Cold War was, कि कोल्ड वार जो था उसका हाई पॉइंट्स किस लिए वजह से मेनली जो था ये कोल्ड वार जो था हुआ था. दैट इज फर्स्ट इज द क्यूबन मिसाइल क्राइसिस. दैट इज द करेक्ट आंसर्स. मेनली जो था कोल्ड वार किसकी वजह से हुआ था, हाई पॉइंट उसका क्या था कोल्ड वार का, दैट इज द क्यूबा मिसाइल क्राइसिस. And next one is the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel faced key challenges of integration in which of the following state. कि सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल जो थे उन्होंने इंटीग्रेशन करने के लिए स्टेट्स को, जो इंटीग्रेशन करा था डिफरेंट स्टेट्स को, उसमें किन किन स्टेट्स के लिए उनको प्रॉब्लम्स आई थी कि उसके इंटीग्रेशन करने में उनको चैलेंजेस फेस करने पड़े थे. दैट इज़ द हैदराबाद, जूनागढ़ एंड कश्मीर. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. With its pre-intended goal dash the NDA's government started several social economic welfare scheme to make development accessible to the masses. That is the part C is the sabka saath sabka vikas. And question number 14. BJP led to coalitions of 2014 was also called as part B surplus majority coalitions. And question number 15. The main agenda of the word social form is, that is the oppositions to neoliberal globalizations. Or next one is the globalization has dash dimensions. Globalization has political, social and economic dimensions. And arrange the following in the chronological orders. That is the establishment of Human Rights Council, Yalta Conference, Atlantic Charters, and Indian joined the UN. First one is the in Atlantic Charter in 1941, and then second one is the that is the Yalta Conference in 1945, in the Feb 1945, and third one in the Indian joined the UN and October 1945, and fourth one is the establishment of Human Rights Council is in the 2006. Thank you.